Hello everyone, this is Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. For this episode, our lesson is about inequality. I will explain what is an inequality and how to express an inequality. When we say inequality, this is an expression that represents the relationship of greater or lesser value between numbers or expressions using an inequality sign. From the phrase relationship of greater or lesser value between numbers or expressions, it means that inequality is a relationship between values that are not equal. Okay, now, how are we going to identify if an expression is an inequality? Okay, inequality uses inequality sign. Okay, what are the different inequality signs? Okay, we have this inequality sign, which means greater than. Okay, this inequality sign means less than. We also have this inequality sign, which means greater than or equal to. And this inequality sign, which means less than or equal to. Okay, let's give an example. Let's identify which among these three is an example of an inequality. Okay, the first one is 5 minus x greater than 7. Okay, since we have an inequality sign, this is greater than. So it means this expression is an inequality. If we don't have this inequality sign or this greater than sign, and we only have 5 minus x, then this is not an inequality. This is just an expression. Okay, what about the second one? 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 is equal to 5. We don't have an inequality sign, but we have an equal sign. Okay, this is not an inequality, but this is an equation. Okay, for this third one, 5 plus 3 is less than 2. Okay, 5 plus 3 is actually 8. 8 is less than 2. This is actually wrong, but since we have an inequality sign here, this is still considered an inequality. Okay, to further understand the different inequality signs, let's take a look at this one. Okay, we already know that these are the inequality signs. Okay, we have here greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and we have here less than or equal to. Okay, for number one, this is read as A is greater than B. Or we can also say A is more than B. For number two, using this inequality sign, then we will read this as A is less than B. Or A is below B. Okay, take a look at number three. Take a look at this inequality sign. Okay, this is read as greater than or equal to. So this is A is greater than or equal to B. Or we can also say A is at least B. Okay, now, this inequality sign has two meanings. Okay, it means that A is greater than B and also A is equal to B. So this is the meaning of this inequality sign. Okay, what about for number 4? So this is A is less than or equal to B. We can also say A is at most B. Okay, just like the inequality sign in number 3, this sign has two meanings. That A is less than B and A is equal to B. Okay, now that you know or now that you understand the different inequality signs, we can now answer these concept check questions. We will write O in the parentheses for inequalities and X for those that are not. Number 1 is 2x is equal to 8. We cannot see any inequality sign here, so this is not an inequality. We actually see equal sign, so which means this is an equation. So this is not an inequality. Okay, what about number 2? X plus 3 is less than 8. We have an inequality sign, less than, so which means this expression is an inequality. So this is O. For number 3, x minus 5 plus 2x. We cannot actually see any inequality sign. We can only see here subtraction and addition. So it means this is not an inequality, but this is just an expression. So this is x. And for number 4, 2x plus 1 is greater than or equal to x. We have an inequality sign here, greater than or equal to, which means this is an example of an inequality. So this is O. Okay, this time, let's also answer this simple problem. When the triple of number x minus 3 is at most twice x plus 5, how can this be expressed as an inequality? Okay, so first, take a look at this phrase. Triple of number x minus 3. Okay, it means this is our first expression and at most twice x plus 5. So we have here twice x plus 5. So this is our second expression. Okay, triple of number x minus 3. Number x, triple of number x, so it means 3x. Okay, minus 3 is minus 3. So this is 3x minus 3. So this is our first expression. Okay, what about the second expression? Twice x plus 5. Okay, twice x is 2x. Plus 5 is plus 5. Okay, what will be our inequality sign? Okay, the phrase is at most. Okay, which means that this expression is less than this expression or less than this expression and at the same time equal to this expression. So the correct inequality sign would be 3x minus 3 is less than or equal to 2x plus 5. So our inequality is this one. Okay, this time, let's also answer this problem. So we will select all the inequalities from the following. Okay, number 1 is 2a is less than b. We have here an inequality sign, less than, so which means this is an inequality. Okay, what about number 2? 3x plus 1 is equal to negative 6. We don't have inequality sign here. We only have equal sign. So this is not an inequality, but this is an equation. Okay, for number 3, we have here 5 is greater than 6. This is actually wrong, but we have an inequality sign here. So which means this is still considered an inequality. So this is inequality. Okay, what about number 4? Negative 2a plus 7. We don't have any inequality sign. So this is not an inequality, but this is just an expression. Okay, for number 5, 4x minus x minus 3. Okay, let's simplify this expression first. So this is 4x minus x, okay, plus 3. So using distributive property, 4x minus x is 3x. So we have 3x plus 3. So this is the simplified expression. Since we cannot see an inequality sign, which means this is not an inequality, but this is just an expression. So select all the inequalities from the following. We have number 1 and number 3.